Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to scan a QR code using the Facebook app. Whether you're connecting with friends, accessing events, or exploring new content, scanning QR codes on Facebook is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once the app is open, locate and tap on the Messages icon at the top of your screen. This will take you to the Messenger section of the app. Next, look for the menu option. It's typically represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots, depending on your device. Tap on it to access additional features and settings within Facebook. Now, at the very top of this menu, you'll see a QR code icon. Tap on this icon to open Facebook's built-in QR scanner. This feature allows you to scan QR codes directly from within the app. Once the scanner is open, tap on the same QR code icon at the top again. This step ensures that your camera is activated and ready to scan. Align the QR code you want to scan within the frame displayed on your screen. And that's it. The app will automatically recognize and process the QR code. Whether it's linking you to a profile, event, or web page, you'll be directed to the appropriate content instantly. Using Facebook's QR scanner is a convenient way to connect and explore without needing third-party apps. With just a few taps, you can unlock a world of possibilities right from your phone. Thanks for following along.